Your home's roof is one of its most vital defenses against Michigan's unpredictable weather. In Clinton Township, where residents experience heavy snowfall, powerful winds, and humid summers, roofs endure a lot of stress throughout the year. Understanding the most common causes of roof damage can help homeowners prevent costly repairs and extend the life of their roofing system. Harsh weather conditions. Michigan's climate is tough on roofs. Clinton Township experiences frigid winters, warm summers, and frequent storms, each posing unique challenges. Snow and ice. When snow accumulates on your roof, it adds weight and can lead to structural stress. As it melts and refreezes, ice dams form along the edges, preventing water from draining properly. This trapped water can seep under shingles and cause leaks or rot. Wind damage. Strong winds lift and loosen shingles, creating openings where water can infiltrate. Even small gaps allow moisture to penetrate the underlayment, leading to internal damage. Heavy rain and hail. Constant rainfall erodes shingle granules, weakening your roof's protective surface. Hail impact leaves dents or cracks that may not be immediately visible but can accelerate wear over time. Aging and wear over time. Even the best roofs don't last forever. Asphalt shingles, the most common roofing material in Clinton Township, typically last 20 to 25 years. Over time, shingles naturally lose their flexibility and protective granules. Signs of aging include curling or cracked shingles, granule loss, visible in gutters or downspouts, discoloration or dark patches. As roofs age, they become more vulnerable to leaks, mold, and insulation damage. Routine inspections, ideally once a year, can help detect these early warning signs before they become major issues. Poor installation and workmanship. A roof is only as good as its installation. Improper nailing, poorly aligned shingles, or inadequate flashing around chimneys and vents can lead to premature failure. Some homeowners discover issues only after the first major storm. Hiring a licensed and experienced roofing contractor is critical. Local experts familiar with Clinton Township's weather patterns can ensure the correct materials and techniques are used for long-term protection. Clogged gutters and drainage problems. Gutters are an often overlooked part of the roofing system. When clogged with leaves, twigs, or debris, they prevent water from draining properly. This standing water can back up under shingles, causing rot, leaks, and even foundation issues. Regular gutter maintenance, especially during the fall when leaves are abundant, can significantly reduce the risk of roof and structural damage. Installing gutter guards can also help minimize buildup and improve water flow. Tree damage and debris. Clinton Township's suburban landscape is filled with beautiful trees, but overhanging branches pose a threat to roofs. During storms, falling branches can puncture shingles or cause structural harm. Even small twigs and leaves can trap moisture, promoting mold and algae growth. Trimming back branches that hang near your home and removing debris after storms can help preserve your roof's condition and appearance. Poor ventilation and insulation. A well-ventilated attic plays a key role in protecting your roof. Without proper airflow, heat and moisture build up beneath the roofing material. This leads to shingle warping, wood rot, and mold growth. In winter, poor insulation can cause uneven roof temperatures, contributing to ice dam formation. Homeowners should ensure attic insulation is evenly distributed and vents are clear of obstructions to maintain a balanced temperature year-round. Neglected roof maintenance. Many homeowners wait until they see a leak before inspecting their roof, but by then, the damage is often extensive. Preventive care, such as regular inspections, cleaning, and small repairs, can save thousands of dollars in the long run. Scheduling a professional roof inspection twice a year, ideally in spring and fall, helps identify minor issues like loose shingles or cracked flashing before they worsen. Protecting your Clinton Township home. Your roof is an investment worth protecting. By understanding these common causes of roof damage, Clinton Township homeowners can take proactive steps to maintain their property's safety and value. Whether it's cleaning gutters, trimming trees, or scheduling regular inspections, prevention is always more affordable than repair.